Frustrated with long bank lines? Let's ditch those and learn how to effortlessly transfer money from your RCBC Online account straight to your GCash. First, make sure you have the RCBC Online banking app installed on your smartphone and that you're enrolled for online banking, of course. You also need the GCash app. Open the RCBC Online banking app and log in using your username and password. Double-check you're on the official RCBC app to avoid any scams. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send Money or Transfer section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version. Now, select to another bank or something similar. This will allow you to send money to GCash, which is considered a separate financial institution. From the list of banks, find and select GCash or GXJ. It might be listed under either of those names. Scroll carefully to find it. Enter the recipient details. The most important thing here is the GCash account number. This is the mobile number registered to the GCash account you are sending money to. Triple check this number to avoid sending to the wrong person. Input the amount you wish to transfer. You can also add a short remark or note for the transaction. This is optional, but it can be helpful for your own record keeping. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. Make absolutely sure the account number and amount are accurate. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll likely receive a one-time password or OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP to authorize the transaction. This is a critical security step. Once the OTP is entered correctly, you should see a confirmation screen indicating that the transfer was successful. You'll also receive an SMS notification. The recipient should receive the money in their GCash account almost instantly. They can verify this by checking their GCash balance. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from RCBC Online to GCash. Remember that there may be minimal transaction fees depending on your RCBC account type, so always check RCBC's fee schedule. Enjoy the convenience of cashless transactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips.